Alright, we're walking to the Cheesecake Factory, and of course hopefully we're gonna try to get some ice creams. I can't have much, maybe just a little bit. A lot of people today. Alright. Alright, check out some different kinds of cheese all the way through that aisle right there. It's definitely a lot of people. Alright, so they have sour cream, yeah, the Greek yogurt here, yeah. I've never seen so many people here in all these years I've been here. So we're at the post to ice cream lines here. Alright, so let me show you guys all the ice cream they have here. Alright. And you see the signs up there also. Yeah. I'll show you guys what we got. This is all we got. Okay, so either one of us are able to eat much, so we don't want to go to waste. Alright. Dude, this is the taste here. That's pretty good. Butter pecan. All right, folks. So so after this, I think I planned we're gonna head down to beef jerky factory, which is down the road from here. And also one of the folks that work at the restaurant told us there's a fair. They have a county fair going on too right now. So we might stop by and see. We're not sure yet. All right. So let us finish the ice cream here, and we'll see you we'll see you all in the next stop. Okay. All right, folks. So we're pretty much done with the ice cream. We didn't go watch making the cheese or anything, because we've seen that so many times. We decided not to do that this time. Mainly just stop by and get a scoop of ice cream, because my daughter's kind of crave for the ice cream. All right. So we're walking back to a car right now, and we'll see you in the next stop. Okay. All right, we arrived at the next stop here. So I'll try to get some beef jerky. I'm gonna show you the front of the store. Don's walking in. So, yeah. All right. All right. We arrived at the next stop here. So I'll try to get some beef jerky. Show you the front of the store. Don's walking in. So, yeah. All right. They got all the mixed beef jerky. See here, that's pretty good price. It's for $9. Yeah, I should get that. I think I need to go back of that. Okay. Also, there's the long beef jerky stick here. Yeah. Oh, let's see what my daughter's got right here. Oh yeah. Oh, old fashioned. Yeah, they like the old fashioned. Yeah. They got Hunter sausage. That's a new one. They got the cans too. Yeah, also they have a whole wall of beef jerky here.
Like a hit or miss depending on the person. So
Alright folks, so this is what we got. Okay, so my daughter shows right here. Cool. Alright, ready to go.